Common symptoms of a P0349 code include a check engine light, rough idling, decreased engine power, and potential engine stalling. You might also notice difficulty starting the vehicle. The ECU relies on accurate CMP sensor data, so intermittent signals can disrupt the engine's timing and fuel delivery, leading to poor fuel economy and increased emissions. Prolonged driving with this issue can potentially damage other engine components. The P0349 code has several common causes. The most frequent is a faulty camshaft position sensor, accounting for about 40% of cases. This sensor can fail due to age or damage, disrupting the signal to the engine control unit. Damaged wiring harness is the next most common cause, around 30% of cases. Wiring issues often result from corrosion, chafing, or loose connections that interrupt the sensor's signal. Wear in the timing chain or belt contributes to about 15% of P0349 codes. As these components stretch or wear, they can affect camshaft position sensor readings. ECU glitches account for roughly 10% of cases. These are software issues in the engine control unit that can cause intermittent sensor signal interpretation problems. Other causes include corroded connectors, oil contamination affecting the sensor, and electromagnetic interference from nearby components like alternators. In Ford F-150s from 2015 to 2020, corroded connectors are especially common in cold climates. Begin initial diagnostics by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0349 code and check for any other related codes. Tools like BlueDriver or Ansel make this easy for DIY users. Next, perform a visual inspection of the camshaft position sensor on bank 2 and its wiring harness. Look carefully for loose connections, frayed wires, or signs of oil contamination. Use a multimeter to check the sensor's voltage signal. A healthy camshaft position sensor should show a 5-volt reference signal from the ECU. Finally, remember to perform a crank relearn procedure after any sensor replacement. Use your scanner to reset the code and drive the vehicle to confirm the fix. For a more in-depth diagnosis, use an oscilloscope to analyze the waveform from the CMP sensor. This can reveal intermittent signal drops or unusual patterns. Check for continuity in the wiring harness to identify any breaks or shorts. If EMI is suspected, try shielding the sensor wiring. A professional mechanic may use a smoke machine to check for vacuum leaks that could indirectly affect sensor performance. ECM reflashing may be required in about 20% of persistent cases. If the sensor is faulty, replace it with a new OEM or reputable aftermarket sensor. Ensure the replacement sensor is compatible with your vehicle's make and model. Clean any corroded connectors with electrical contact cleaner to ensure proper electrical connections. Apply dielectric grease to the connectors to prevent future corrosion and ensure reliable connections. Repair any damaged wiring by splicing in new sections or replacing the entire harness if necessary. The cost of sensor replacement typically ranges from $50 to $150, depending on the vehicle and parts chosen. When timing chain or belt wear is suspected as the cause of the P0349 code, a more extensive repair involving timing component replacement may be necessary. This is especially important if the P0349 code has masked timing belt slippage, as seen in some Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. After completing any repairs, clear the P0349 code using an OBD2 scanner. Perform a drive cycle as specified by your vehicle's manufacturer to confirm the repair and ensure the code doesn't return. The frequency of P0349 codes is declining due to the rise of hybrid and electric vehicles. Predictive maintenance apps and AI-driven diagnostics are also helping to preempt sensor failures. In the future, expect even more advanced diagnostics and potentially redundant sensors in autonomous vehicles to minimize intermittency issues. Consider sustainability trends favoring reusable sensors and research into more durable materials like graphene for CMPs. Expert mechanics advise against sensor-only swaps without full diagnostics, highlighting the importance of addressing root causes.